lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead, but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die.
Thank you.
And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light.
Hi guys, what's good guys? We are now in the Grand Bazaar. So yeah, today we're gonna explore most of the bazaar, like Egyptian bazaar and stuff like that. So yeah, you'll be sick. A lot of like, I don't know, shopping and stuff. Depends on what I look for. But yeah, other than that, you guys enjoy the like story view, stuff like that. Yeah, take you guys around.
We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are
Alright, so guys, yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear me back there, like inside the bazaar. Like yeah, we're currently like heading towards the Egyptian bazaar right now. So we'll be going like for 2 bazaar and stuff like that. And yeah, we see what we're gonna do. Like probably a lot of bargainings like I said earlier, I guess. But yeah, by the way guys, the view here is sick. Like the temperature alone, right? It's nowhere near like Singapore. So yeah. So for today, we have a lot of like bazaar and stuff, and then tomorrow we head to Cappadocia. We're gonna take like flight and stuff like that. Yeah, it's where the hot air balloon, is. Yeah, guys. It's an uphill, by the way. Hi guys, we're just like walking towards like the Egyptian bazaar. Oh shit, don't mind me guys. The weather's pretty chill, right? Pretty chilly. So yeah, but look at this view guys. We're like on the way. So yeah, just look at the view behind. It's real sick, like really beautiful. And yeah, not to forget to mention, the traffic here is like mad, like real mad. So yeah, I'll show you guys my way there and see how everything goes. See you guys in the next clip.
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light.
Hi guys, we're around the Egyptian market is hella crowded right now, as you guys can see. So yeah, we were thinking of getting this like kunafe and stuff like that, like something like cheese, some sort of, yeah.
Oradaki balon. Diyor ben alıyorum. Lif kolyesi. Bir de profeti. Aynen, rica ederim.
guys, right now we're in the Egyptian Bazaar, like finally, you know, after like, all the walks. His eye. Alright, I'll show you guys a time lapse about on this bazaar. What's good guys, we're right now at Cappadocia airport. So we just traveled over from like Istanbul, so yeah, we try to like see like the, you know, the hot air balloon and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll be here for like 2-3 days, so yeah, we'll be sick, like a lot of good views and stuff like that. But yeah, and we'll be staying at some cave hotel. Yeah, I'll take you guys around here and I'll show you guys how it look like. Alright, other than that, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey guys, show me room tour. Let's steal it. Oh man.
About today is not rain. About the sunset time is 6:30 and 6:45. About 6:30 or 6:45. Yes. It's not cancelled, maybe. That was very windy. It's in rain. It's cancelled.
So we can go to the terrace about.
Terrace to go kind 6:30 is better for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
The keys in the door.
Alright.
Okay. Have a good time. See you.
It's really nice, right? It's like cave concept and stuff like that. Like the walls, everything. Yeah. It's damn cool. Look at that. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, as you can see, we are right now like at the top or outside the room, or basically like somewhere else's room. But yeah, the view is hella sick. Like the mountains, the cave, everything. Tomorrow we will like visit, you know, the tour and stuff like that. They're gonna like raid tour, and then yeah, if possible we catch on a hot air balloon. Even though we can't, like, you know, we didn't get a chance to ride it. I'm not sure yet. It depends. But yeah, today is I think day 3 or day 4. But yeah, just look at the view behind me, guys. Sick. Like words can't explain it how I'm feeling right now. But yeah, so take you guys through this, and then hopefully you can catch like the sunset and stuff like that. Hi guys, this is like the famous Turkish ice cream, you know, the one where you go like on the streets and stuff, the one like they play with you. Yeah, this is the one. But here's more, you know, authentic, I guess.
Come.
Go. Alright guys, right now we just booked like some tours, or I just booked some tours. We are heading towards Pamukkale. So tomorrow it's like some salt place, you guys will see. It's really beautiful over there. So yeah, we will leave tomorrow about 6 PM and then reach Pamukkale about 4 in the morning or something like that. But yeah, it's gonna be like a 10-hour bus ride. So yeah, so the next few days will be like a lot of like sightseeing and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited for like today, but especially tomorrow. We have the tour of the Cappadocia tour. So yeah, I'll take you guys through it, and we should enjoy the view. Just look at these guys. It's so sick. Like goddamn. Oh yeah guys, and guess what? The hot air balloon is cancelled because of the weather. Like tomorrow it might reach about -6. So yeah, because of that it's cancelled. Even if I want to, I can't. So yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Maybe next time or something like that. So yeah, catch you guys in the next shot.
Why know things have changed? Never thought that it would